Don't like bowing to golden statues? Neither did Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Their faith sparked a miracle. When King Nebuchadnezzar demanded worship of his golden statue, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused. Furious, the king threatened, "Bow down or be thrown into the blazing furnace." They boldly replied, "Our God can save us, but even if he doesn't, we will not serve your gods." Enraged, the king heated the furnace 7 times hotter. The fire was so intense, it killed the soldiers throwing them in, but then, a miracle. The king saw 4 men walking in the fire unharmed. "The 4th looks like a son of the gods," he exclaimed. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego emerged without a single burn. Nebuchadnezzar praised their God, saying, "No other God can save in this way. Remember, even in the hottest fires, God is with those who stand for him."